guys, it's me Vidhi. It's Thursday and it's around 4:10 right now. It's very cold. We are gonna go on a road trip to Kutch. आपको टाइटल देख के पता चल ही गया होगा. So see, I'm all ready and my bags are packed. So let's go.
We stopped by at the AFM Food Mall. It is around 56 kilometers away from Bhajau.
So ये last stop है जहाँ पे you can have food and freshen up. So इसके बाद there is nothing ahead. So this is the last stop where you can eat everything. So it's very hygienic here. So COVID के हिसाब से अगर आपको आना है तो you can come here. Washroom and all is very good. So this is the last stop and let's go.
What's up, guys? So we are in the middle of nowhere, like you can see, but there's a really cool place here called Azrak Hart. There are really pretty designs and patterns of stalls and saris available. It's quite reasonable here. You can check it out on the way to Bhajau to Bhuj. So I'll put some pictures after this. Bye. Let's go.
So we are done with the lunch and we are gonna go. It's very sunny and we are gonna go to a place named Azrakpur. I guess it's a village here. So let's go and see what it is. I've reached Azrakpur and here the Azrak print which is done is sold here and it is really amazing. There are a lot of nude prints and designs which you can buy. So you can check it out. It's really amazing.
As you can see, the entire village is into this business of Azrak prints. It's all handwork, as you can see. It's so lovely and mesmerizing to see all these prints and handwork. Azrakpur, there is this place where block printing is done. Look at the cool designs, guys. They are sold as cloth materials in the market. Look at the collection, guys. These are all blocks. So this is how the block printing is done. It is a treat to watch all this. All in all, it was a very amazing experience. Now let's move on to the next destination, which is Vijay Vilas Palace. So behind me is the Vijay Vilas Palace, which was built by Maharao of Kutch in 1920s. So here's how it looks from inside. I'm gonna put some of the pictures now.
And we are here.
This is the view from the Vijay Vilas Palace. This is the backyard of Vijay Vilas Palace, and here's a garden where you can sit and click a lot of pictures. Sitting is also available, and here is the palace. It's very huge, as you can see. Next, we went to the Mandvi beach. It is around 8.1 kilometers from Vijay Vilas Palace. We are here at the Mandvi beach and there are a lot of amazing rides which you can enjoy here. There are camel rides, water rides. It's very amazing, and when you come here, don't forget to enjoy the sunset. If you want to see more of these cool pictures, then follow me on my Instagram. The locals here do the campfire to keep them protected from the freezing cold weather. There are small shops at the beach and a resort where you can stay. We then ate the famous double roti and cone at the Mandvi beach. After this long tiring day, now finally we are going to the hotel. Hi guys, we have reached the hotel we are gonna stay. I'm gonna give you the room tour in a while, so see you later. I'm very tired. Bye. So this is the room. We have TV, dressing table, and a small sitting. It's cute. These are the beds. Ignore the mess. This is the storage area. Finally, here's the balcony.
Okay, bye. Good night.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. Do drop a like to this video and comment down below which was your favorite place. And subscribe to my channel to watch such more vlogs and dance covers. Bye.